Let's see how to use SageMaker Canvas to train a binary classification ML model without writing code. Open Canvas from Amazon's SageMaker console. Canvas offers this free demo which shows how to use Canvas to quickly train a tabular model. Let's try it out. The demo is about predicting package delivery delays based on tabular data. First, we will analyze data. Then we will train very first model and check out its prediction score. Then we will add features to improve the model to make it more than 80% accurate. Data shows two features: zip code and delivery status. The column we want to predict the value for is called on-time status. There are total 45K data points. Let's see if Canvas can build a model based on this data. Our model is ready. Click View Results. Model accuracy is roughly 67%, which means it can predict whether packaged will be delayed only 2 out of 3 times. Let's fix it. Our goal is to get to 80% accuracy. So let's not settle for third option. Second option might not make as much difference as first option would. Let's choose first. Looks like our intuition was correct. Let's select features. Delivery can definitely get impacted if the truck is too heavy, so let me choose this feature. If it's snowing or raining heavily, deliveries usually get impacted, so let me choose weather conditions as well. Let's retrain the model based on zip code, weather conditions, and load in the truck. Our model is ready. Click View Results. That's impressive accuracy. You can see that weather conditions are clearly way less important than truck load when it comes to predicting whether delivery will happen on time. Congratulations! You just learned how to train a good ML model without writing a single line of code. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.